You're watching How Leap. Let's learn how to add your name or a custom message to your iPhone lock screen. This uses the medical ID feature, which is visible from the emergency call screen. First, open the Health app that comes pre-installed on your iPhone. Tap your profile picture or initial in the top right corner on the summary page. Tap on Medical ID in the top right. Tap Edit in the top right corner. Scroll down to the section for medical details. Here you can add your name, birth date, and medical notes. To add a message like "If found, please call," tap Add an emergency contact to list a person, or use the medical notes field for a custom message. Fill in the information you want to display, such as your full name. Ensure the toggle for Show when locked is turned on, which is green. Tap Done to save. Now, when your iPhone is locked, anyone can access this information by tapping Emergency on the passcode screen, then tapping Medical ID. Your name and any notes you added will be visible. There, this is not a standard lock screen customization, but a safety feature that displays your info in emergencies. For a visible lock screen message, you currently need to use a third-party app or set a custom wallpaper with text edited in. For more simple computer tutorials, subscribe to the channel.